In this video, I will show you how to turn on the Remind Me When It's Bedtime feature on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap Time Management. On the Time Management page, you'll see the Remind Me When It's Bedtime option. Tap Remind Me When It's Bedtime. Here, you can choose to use your phone's bedtime mode schedule or select Use Custom Schedule. If you choose a custom schedule, set your preferred bedtime and wake-up time. You can also choose whether to wait until the current video ends before showing the reminder. After configuring your preferred settings, tap OK or simply go back to save your changes. YouTube will now remind you when it's time for bed based on the schedule you selected. That's it! You've successfully enabled the Remind Me When It's Bedtime feature on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching!